Welcome back to Best Futuristic Gadgets. World's first notebook with a real pen and AI recording built in. World's first dual-camera AI PTZ streaming camera. World's first touchscreen hearing aids. First AI 3D photo frame that makes memories feel alive. When a product earns the word first, it means nobody thought it was possible until someone built it. 10 gadgets. All of them firsts in some way. All of them incredible. All of them in this video. Number 1. Earbuds go in your ear. That's been the design assumption for 30 years. The Sony LinkBuds clipped that assumption completely off. These are open-ear audio devices that attach to the outer ear without anything inserted into the ear canal. A clip-on design that delivers Sony-quality audio while keeping your ears completely open to the world around you. No tip, no insertion, no isolation. The sound still reaches you clearly through bone conduction and air transmission principles that Sony has refined across generations of LinkBuds development. Music, calls, and your AI assistant, all delivered without blocking the environmental awareness that makes open-ear audio genuinely useful in the real world. Call quality benefits from Sony's AI noise suppression, your voice captured cleanly regardless of ambient sound, the other person hearing you clearly whether you're on a street or in a cafe. Lightweight enough to forget they're there, secure enough to stay during movement, and a form factor so different from conventional earbuds that people ask about them every time you wear them. Earbuds were always going in your ear. The LinkBuds clip decided they didn't have to. Number 2. Paper feels right. Digital is practical. You've been choosing between them your whole writing life. The fitn Focus ends that choice permanently. This is the world's first notebook combining a real physical pen, actual ink on actual paper, with built-in AI recording that captures your audio, transcribes it, and syncs everything digitally in real time. Write with your hand, speak your thoughts. The AI handles organizing both simultaneously. The pen writes on the notebook's specially coded pages with the feel of a real writing instrument. No stylus lag, no digital surface hesitation, just the natural flow of writing that paper has always provided. Simultaneously, the embedded microphone captures your voice, and the AI processes both streams together, matching what you wrote to what you've said, building a complete record of your thinking. Session summaries, searchable archives, and cloud sync all generated automatically from what was at the time just you writing and talking naturally. Paper was always the best way to think. The fitn Focus made sure none of it gets lost. Number 3. Razer builds hardware for people who take performance seriously. Project Motoko is what that philosophy looks like applied to augmented reality. These are AI-powered smart glasses from Razer, a company that has never made a product that didn't push the category it entered. The Motoko frames carry a heads-up display system that overlays information, AI responses, and digital content into your natural field of vision without the bulk of a headset and without the limitations of every AR attempt that came before it. The AI integration is Razer-grade. Fast, responsive, and built for the demands of users who don't tolerate lag or inaccuracy in their tools. Voice commands activate the system. The display responds with contextual information about what you're looking at, what you're doing, and what you've asked for. The design is unmistakably Razer, aggressive, premium, and built with the material quality that Razer's audience expects. These don't look like a tech experiment. They look like eyewear Razer would sell, which is exactly what they are. Razer entered audio, Razer entered mobile, Razer entered AR. Project Motoko is what it looks like when they're serious about winning it. Number 4. Most cameras make you think about the camera. The best ones make you think about the moment. The FancyView Y2 is the second kind. This is a 4K camera with built-in AI that handles the technical decisions, exposure, focus, framing assistance, scene optimization, so you stay in the moment rather than in the settings menu. Point it at what matters, and the AI ensures the capture is right. The AI scene recognition identifies what it's looking at: portrait, landscape, action, low light, food, architecture, and applies the optimal processing profile automatically. No mode switching, no manual adjustment, just consistently excellent footage from a camera that understands its own subject. Compact enough for daily carry, versatile enough for content creation, travel documentation, family moments, and professional use cases that demand quality without demanding expertise. 4K resolution with AI-optimized image processing delivers footage that looks intentional regardless of how spontaneous the moment was. Cameras used to reward the technically skilled. The FancyView Y2 rewards the people paying attention to the right things. Number 5. One camera, one angle, the same limitation streaming has always had. The EMEET PIXY Wireless is the world's first dual-camera AI PTZ streaming camera. 2 lenses, one device, with AI that switches between them automatically based on scene content, speaker activity, and framing optimization. Wide shot for the full scene, close shot for the active speaker. The AI decides which serves the moment and cuts between them in real time, delivering a multi-camera production from a device that sits on your desk and costs a fraction of an actual production setup. Wireless, compact, fully autonomous. One device that runs your stream like a 2-camera crew. Number 6. Building AI-powered voice and vision projects used to require a team of engineers and a timeline measured in months. The ESP-VoCat compresses that to a weekend. This is Espressiv's Smart AI Development Kit, a compact, capable hardware platform combining voice recognition, vision AI processing, and wireless connectivity in a development board designed for makers, engineers, and developers who want to build intelligent devices without building everything from scratch. The VoCat integrates wake word detection, speech command processing, camera-based AI vision, and edge inference, all running locally on the device without cloud dependency. Build a smart speaker, a vision-based security sensor, a voice-controlled automation system, an AI pet or companion device. Espressiv's ESP-32 ecosystem is already behind millions of connected devices worldwide. The VoCat brings their most advanced AI capabilities into a developer-friendly form that gets your idea from concept to prototype faster than any competing platform. Building AI used to require a lab. The ESP-VoCat just requires the idea and a weekend. Number 7. Power banks charge things. They've never been able to tell you much about how. The JOYROOM PODIX PR70 tells you everything on 2 screens simultaneously. This is a 240-watt power bank with dual TFT display screens that show real-time power output, input wattage, remaining capacity, estimated charge time, temperature, and individual port status, all live, all accurate, all on a power bank that fits in a bag and powers a laptop at full speed. 240 watts of total output means this handles laptops, tablets, phones, and professional equipment simultaneously, the kind of power delivery that used to require a wall socket available at exactly the wrong moment. Multiple high-speed ports, USB-C PD for the devices that demand it, USB-A for everything else. The dual displays aren't aesthetic, they're functional. When you're managing multiple devices from one bank, knowing which port is delivering what wattage in real time changes how you use the device entirely. Power banks were always blind. The PR70 finally opened its eyes and put 2 screens on them. Number 8. Hearing aids have always been adjusted through a clinic visit, a companion app, or a button too small to press confidently. The Cearvol Wave puts a touchscreen on the device itself. World's first touchscreen hearing aids, a full touch interface that lets you adjust volume, switch profiles, and manage every aspect of your hearing experience directly, without reaching for your phone or waiting for an audiologist appointment. The AI sound processing behind the interface is what makes it worth touching. Cearvol's system analyzes your acoustic environment continuously, separating speech from background noise, adjusting amplification by frequency in real time, and adapting to new environments within seconds of arriving in them. Quiet conversation, busy restaurant, outdoor wind. The Wave responds to each scenario appropriately and automatically, not a fixed profile that works in one place and overwhelms you in another. Bluetooth connected, rechargeable, built for all-day comfortable wear. Hearing aids got a user interface worthy of what they actually do. The Cearvol Wave is what hearing assistance looks like when it catches up with 2026. Number 9. Every computer you've ever owned ran the same interface for every human being on the planet. The Pickle One runs one for you. This is a soul computer, a personal computing device built around a foundational idea that the industry has ignored for decades. Your computer should understand how you specifically work and reshape itself around that understanding over time. The AI layer observes your behavior across every session, which tools you reach for first, how you organize your workflow, how you navigate between tasks, what you search for, what you build, and begins restructuring the experience around your specific patterns. Your most used tools surface before you look for them. Your context restores exactly where you left it. The machine starts anticipating your next move before you make it. Privacy is foundational. All learning happens locally, on device, never uploaded to a profile someone else manages or a server you don't control. The hardware is designed with the same intentionality, a form factor and build quality that matches the seriousness of the software philosophy behind it. Every other computer learns nothing about you no matter how long you use it. The Pickle One gets more yours with every session you spend in it. Number 10. Photo frames display your memories as flat images on a screen. The Aidora makes them feel like you're back inside them. This is the world's first AI 3D photo frame, a display that takes your existing photos and converts them into living, three-dimensional scenes using AI depth mapping and holographic display technology that adds genuine spatial depth to images that were originally captured flat. Upload a photo of your family at the beach. The Aidora's AI analyzes depth, separates foreground from background, reconstructs the spatial relationship between subjects, and displays it as a three-dimensional scene with depth you perceive without glasses or any viewing apparatus. The result is memories that feel present rather than preserved, images that draw you in rather than just reminding you from a distance. Automatic photo import from your phone, intelligent curation that selects your best memories for display, frame scheduling that cycles through your collection on a schedule you set. Photo frames have shown memories for decades. The Aidora is the first one that makes you feel them. Thanks for watching Best Futuristic Gadgets. Subscribe and stay upgraded.